I am Dr. Suvarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Azoospermia is the complete absence of sperm in the semen. It affects 1% of all men and about 10 to 15 of infertile men. There are two main types: obstructive azoospermia, where the sperm is produced normally in the testis, but it cannot reach the ejaculate due to blockage or absence of ducts. Then there is non-obstructive azoospermia, which is caused by impaired or absent sperm production in the testicles. Let's look at the causes of azoospermia. First, we'll begin with causes of obstructive azoospermia. There could be congenital absence of vas difference called as CAVD. It's common in men with cystic fibrosis gene mutation. The sperm carrying duct, vas difference, could also be absent. This is the sperm carrying duct. Vasectomy or surgical injury could also be a reason. Intentional blockage from sterilization could be a reason. There could have been an accidental injury during hernia repair or other pelvic surgery. Infections are also a cause. Epididymitis or orchitis can cause scarring of the reproductive tract. Tuberculosis or sexually transmitted disease like chlamydia can also cause azoospermia. Blockage of ejaculatory ducts, or it could be a congenital or acquired cause, which is due to cysts or infection. Prostatic or seminal vesicle cyst can be a reason, and this could lead to blockage of sperms into the urethra. What are the causes of non-obstructive azoospermia? There are genetic causes. Then Y chromosome microdeletions are also a cause, especially in the AZF region. Klinefelter syndrome, where the chromosomes are 47XXY, there is an extra X, which could lead to testicular failure. Mutations in genes like NR5A1, TEX11, SYCP3, these could be the reason, or hormonal disturbances, low FSH, LH or testosterone due to hypogonadotrophic hypogonadism, for example Kallmann syndrome. Pituitary tumors could also be a cause, head trauma or steroid use. High FSH with small testicles indicates primary testicular failure. Varicocele could be a reason. Enlarged veins in the scrotum impair testicular temperature regulation, which could lead to azoospermia. And undescended testis, called as cryptorchidism, can also be a reason, especially if not corrected in childhood. Testicular injury or torsion, trauma or twisting of the testicles can damage sperm production. Cancer treatments like chemotherapy, radiation can destroy sperm producing cells. Environmental reasons are also there, like smoking, alcohol, anabolic steroids, heat exposure, hot baths, tight underwears. All these can also cause azoospermia. So what is the diagnostic workup of azoospermia? Semen analysis, at least 2 samples, hormonal profile, FSH, LH, testosterone, prolactin, scrotal ultrasound to evaluate for varicocele or obstruction is also a good diagnostic tool. Genetic testing such as karyotype, Y chromosome microdeletion testing can also be useful. Transrectal ultrasonography, TRUS, for ejaculatory duct obstruction is also useful. Testicular biopsy to assess sperm production, especially in case of non-obstructive azoospermia, can also be conclusive. If you wish to understand more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.